Hello friends, hope you are having a great weekend. Today we are going to do a pre-market analysis on gold. Before going to the session, I request you watch the pre-market analysis which was done on November 1, 2025. This will be the shortest ever video that I have made on YouTube. Because on the last day I mentioned gold was in a supply zone and there are two chances that would happen. One, fall from the current supply zone to the demand zone of 3897.13, and from there are chances that market would go up. At the same time, I also mentioned this: if the range of 4056.99 is getting broken, there are high chances that market can visit the area of 4194. Let's see what happened after this. When we take the 4 hours time frame, you can see that gold is still in the supply zone of 4056.99 and 3945 as mentioned in this video. So gold is moving in a sideways direction, due to which there are no new things which have happened. So if you ask me what is the analysis for the coming 1 week, I would still say the same. Either market should go visit the area of 4194.41, or from the zone, gold can either come to 3896 range, take support, again go up. This is the first chance. The second chance, from the current zone, gold can break 4056.99 and go up. The third chance is that there is a tiny fair value gap which is here in between 3955 to 3929. It might come up to this range and can go higher. So this is the only analysis that I can give you right now, as market is in the sideways direction right now. Same analysis as the last week. So we'll have to wait either to break this area or to break the area of 4945. Now you might be thinking, we can't make money in this area. So grateful to our system, as our team members has made great profits in the last 1 week. I would like to share the profits taken by our team last week. This is a video recording from our community or WhatsApp group. Let me play this for you. There are hundreds of members who have taken good amount of profits in the last 1 week, even if the market was in the sideways movement. Really happy and grateful to show you this. So happy to share with all my viewers and all my students that still our community is making profits even in our sideways market. There are lots of profits to show. So happy to see this and so grateful to see this. So if you ask me what is the news for the coming week, on Wednesday, which is on November 12th, there is a news for German CPI, but it won't affect gold and all. It's a basic news, I would say. November 11 also, there is nothing much. But on Thursday, you need to be very careful, as there are core CPI news which is there, initial jobless claim and crude oil inventories. So in this day, when you trade, be very careful, as the market will be very volatile and it can react. Either it can give a huge fall or it can give a huge rise. I remind you one more thing: if the news is happening and if the gold is in a demand zone, market would rise hard. If it is in a supply zone, I have seen that gold falls from the supply zone. Anyhow, trade with proper risk management, my dear friends. I still do not suggest to trade in the zones between 4056 to 3945, but you can trade by following the proper risk management. I'd only go for a buy if the market is breaking above 4056.99 range, or I'd go for a buy again if the market is reaching below or at the range of 3896.27 range. So that's it for this week, my dear friends. Thank you and have a great Sunday.